And here's I will show you how to upload a HTML file in Wix website. So here's I have a HTML file, and here you can see the file or HTML all course. Now we can't directly upload a HTML format file in our Wix website. So we have to copy our HTML codes, and then we will embed the HTML file through the HTML codes. So first of all, go to your Wix website editor and go to the section where you want to add HTML, and in this left hand menu click on add elements, and here select embed code and add embed HTML tag, and here select code. Now all you have to need, open the HTML file using a code editor and copy all of your codes, and simply paste your HTML code in this box and click on update. Now here we can see the code successfully embedded, and now simply resize your HTML section just like so. So let's make this section full screen, and that's so go ahead and make the page full screen. And now just click on publish, and let's view this site. And that's it. Here, as you can see, I've successfully embedded my one page HTML newsletter using HTML code. Thanks for watching.